Welcome back to Speed 998. In 2025, the Ford Ranger Raptor Hybrid will be arriving. Raptor off-road force is combined with eco-friendly technology. The hybrid beast's innovative engine and fearsome appearance pose a threat to the status quo of high-performance truck manufacturing. The body is capable of controlling the road due to its contours and power. With its engine cooling vent, the Raptor's new hood provides a formidable appearance to the vehicle. Wide all-terrain tires are compatible with the truck's flared flanks, which are equipped with ventilation. To enhance the functionality of the roof rack, the bumper has been redesigned to include LED light bars and tow attachments, which illuminate the road ahead. With an external reservoir system and next-generation Fox shock absorbers, Ford's Raptor Hybrid facilitates rapid off-road modifications. Key components are safeguarded by robust skid plates, and the Raptor Hybrid's elevated ground clearance enables it to negotiate obstructions. Getting into and out of the vehicle in challenging terrain is facilitated by the wider base of functional side steps. Innovations in the 2025 Ranger Raptor Hybrid engine. Even though Ford has maintained its silence, some reports suggest a potent twin-turbocharged EcoBoost gas engine and electric propulsion. Gas mileage and performance are exceptional in this hybrid configuration. The Raptor is anticipated to possess a higher horsepower than its predecessor and operates silently and pollution-free on electric power for brief distances. Utilizing the hybrid powertrain, the intelligent all-wheel drive system enhances traction and off-road control. The truck's performance can be adjusted for any type of travel by utilizing various drive modes, such as the new e-terrain mode for electric off-road operations. When a vehicle pauses or descends, regenerative braking charges the battery and increases its range. People in the business community anticipate that the 2025 Ranger Raptor Hybrid will be more expensive than its gasoline-powered counterpart. A superb option for environmentally conscious thrill-seekers, it conserves a significant amount of petroleum and seamlessly integrates eco-friendliness with speed. After the public unveil later this year, arrivals will commence in early 2025. Electric off-road vehicles are imminent, therefore, hold on.